Hi, welcome to our video on the ultimate guide to weight loss with meal replacement shakes. Are you looking for a convenient and effective way to lose weight? Look no further than meal replacement shakes. Meal replacement shakes are a great option for weight loss because they provide a balance of essential nutrients, while also keeping calorie intake low. They can also be a helpful tool for those who struggle with portion control or have difficulty finding healthy meal options on the go. When selecting a meal replacement shake, it's important to choose a product that is low in sugar and has a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. It's also important to be mindful of the calorie count in each serving and ensure it fits within your daily caloric needs. It's recommended to have one shake per day as a replacement for a meal and continue to have healthy balanced meals throughout the day. Incorporating regular physical activity and staying hydrated throughout the day will also aid in weight loss. Remember, meal replacement shakes can be a convenient and effective tool for weight loss when used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. Thanks for watching.